planner friends, my name is Sarah and this is my planner, and this week I will be using a Papershire sticker kit. Look at this hand-drawn beauty, y'all. For the longest time I've been gravitating towards their flatlays. Like, I specifically shop here for flatlay stickers and a few icons. So this is the first time I'll be using a kit, and look at this cute washi tape and these bows. They have so many doodles and they have like a very distinct neutral color palette with like browns, light pink, greens, like dark brown, light brown. So they're very consistent throughout, which I definitely love. I love shop branding, how everyone brings their own beautiful twist. And I'm going to pull in some different stickers like a happy blue tree, Hello Petite paper, Lexi Kylie Designs weekend banners, more Hello Petite paper. So let's jump right in. I am going to get started by setting down my headers. I love starting with the headers most of the time to try to break up that space, like the space between the dates and the plans. And I am using this gorgeous washi sticker as a backdrop for my weekend banner. This kit did not come with a weekend banner. Like, there's a lot of things missing. They're like very small kits. They're fairly inexpensive because of that, because of the volume of stickers, but it works out. Like, you can get creative, pull in other things, and these full boxes are a gem. Like, they're so gorgeous. Look at this, these cute little washis, and they have like these cute little mascots, like they're kind of bunnies, I guess. I love them so much. And I'm going to be using my Tombow correction tape to remove that little calendar at the bottom. I'm using one habit tracker this week. Sometimes I'll use two, but I'm really starting to use one to just focus on one thing that I want to do that week. And I changed it up where my dinners are first and then my to-do list for the week comes second. There wasn't a lot of space, so I had to cover the first part. This kit doesn't have any headers. Well, it has like the top headers that you can add, but it didn't have any others, which, I mean, it's okay. That's why I'm going to be pulling in a lot of stickers, because there's more space, right? And choosing one and discarding another full box was probably the hardest thing I had ever had to do. Just kidding. But it was a difficult decision because every piece was just gorgeous. Now I'm going to be using these super cute like notebook paper stickers to add a highlight each day. Like, each day I want to write one thing that I want to focus on for the day that I really need to get done. This is like one way to keep me productive. Also, you know me, I love my coffee sticker on Mondays to kind of say that Monday is a productive day. And I honestly feel Monday is my most productive day of the week. Let me know which one is yours. I am adding this little checkbox sticker, and these labels just worked so well to mark my fitness lessons. As I mentioned before, like, I like to stay very consistent with the type of stickers I use. Like, I'll use the same label stickers to mark my fitness classes. Like, I use the notebook stickers to mark my highlight of the day, keeping it consistent so I know what to look for amongst the crazy mess that is my planner. I loved these YouTube icons. Honestly, it's hard to find social media icons. Like Hello Petite Paper has some that are really cute, but it has others like Twitter and Facebook, which I don't really use. So I wanted like a full sheet of YouTube icons, and I found it, and I quickly grabbed my sticker book. I got this sticker book on Amazon, and I'll link it below. If you hoard stickers, like samplers and things, and you want to have it in a book, like I will put everything in my sticker book whenever I can. My planning style is pretty chaotic. I jump from day to day, just kind of like remembering what I need to do and quickly jotting it down. I know my mess is a brain. Oh, my brain is a mess. Jeez. So I will jump back and forth. Sorry if you get like a little dizzy with this. Now I'm setting down my checklist, my tiny little checklist, which is good because I feel like this week I just kind of want to take it a little bit slow and not like give myself a very full plate of things that I need to do. So these tiny checklists really help me out to kind of, set that tone. I am just loving these doodle stickers, adding them wherever I can. I know a lot of things that are going to be happening during the week, so you'll see me fill them out. But there are other things that I just kind of lay out, like I set down a label sticker just because I know something will come up, or I'll find a way to fill it up. But, I do like to plan ahead, and these pens, they were gorgeous. I used them to fill up space wherever there was like a little bit extra white space. Then I added my manicure because I want to update my nails, and I'm using my tool pen to fill everything in. Honestly, I think this spread called for like a lighter touch, maybe like a 0.5 tip. I probably should have changed it up. I mean, it's okay. I already filled it out with my tool pen, which, don't get me wrong, I love my tool pen. Like, it just glides right on. I just think that all the art could have been showcased a little bit better with a lighter tip. But I liked it. I am filling everything out that I know that is going to happen. Like, hello, Marge. I like to set the tone, set a special reminder of something that is happening in my week. And March starting, well, it's already past March, but at that moment, March was starting, and I get so excited when a new month is beginning because it just feels like a brand new, a fresh start. I like to look back at my calendar to see what I'm missing. Like, for example, Wednesday, I kind of had forgotten, but I need to pay a lot of bills. So that's going to be my highlight. This is how my week turned out. Of course, some decoration, my sidebar, my habit tracker, my list of meals for the week, a list of things that I need to get done during that week. This is a very important part of my weekly planning. And then, of course, setting down my highlights. I filled them out a little bit ahead of time because I kind of know what I want to focus on each day, but I probably will be adjusting things. And that's important for plans to be flexible too. Set down your stickers, these beautiful flatlays, set down things that you want to do, but know that you have the flexibility to just not be affected when plans change. And my label stickers, the same for my fitness classes. Everything is cohesive, and at the same time it isn't. So if you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more planning inspiration, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you. Bye.